the only high floor pool view unit in the whole of Sol Acres with the biggest bedroom. Here we go. In 2016, when choosing a unit, high floor pool view was our focus. This is the view we got. LRT is there. The selling point of this 926 square foot unit is how well this super room is designed. I can confidently tell you this is the biggest bedroom in the whole of Sol Acres. Now your room has more space for work and leisure. So what is the advantage of this super room? Your child gets to sleep near you and not with you. So you get to have proper rest throughout the night. Trust me. So what happens when your child is older? Your common room will be their private room.
Sol Acres, located right next to Get Home LRT, 2 stop to Choa Chu Kang MRT. Your shopping, Get Home Mirage, just beside only. Lot 1, Hillian Mall, and Junction 10. Over 1 kilometer primary school for your child. We got Southview Primary School, Choa Chu Kang Primary School, and Teck Whye Primary School.
Ask Ken Tay what's a 4-step efficient kitchen. Number 1, take up from the fridge. Number 2, wash mah. So number 3, you'll be chopping your food. Number 4, you'll be cooking. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, all soon 1. Automatic curtain. This home is designed with a super room, especially suitable for families with children. Woo! If you want to view this super room unit, all you have to do is ask Ken Tay. I'll see you